Hi guys! Welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 9 part D of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, a shop that sells books has set up a new database table called Booklist to store book details. Part of this table is given. Write the output from this structured query language SQL statement. To solve this question, let's have a basic understanding of SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's how we ask a database questions, kind of like how we search on Google, but for tables of data. Following are basic parts of an SQL statement. Select clause. What do you want to see? We shall mention list of columns to see. From clause, which table are you looking at? We shall mention table name which needs to be queried. Where clause, how to filter. We shall mention our condition to filter our retrieval. For this question, our table or dataset is mentioned in from clause as book list. Select clause represents the columns we want to see, and where clause represents the filter to extract only desired rows. In this case, we only want the rows where stock level is 0, which are only these rows. So consequently, following is our retrieved dataset and output from the given query. Great! We have solved our question. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you with the next question. Have a nice day.